Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today we're going to change the headlight bulbs on this 2009 Cadillac CTS. Alright guys, so changing the bulbs on these Cadillacs is not so easy to do because you got to take off this whole assembly. So you need to pull out the bumper from here. Anybody that tells you could do it without taking off the bumper is full of shit. You have to take off the bumper. They just mean you don't have to take it completely off. You just got to pull it from here. So in order to do that, you need to turn these little guys off. Turn it like this and remove them, and you have this one, that one over there and one over here. So you're gonna remove those, pull this out. So yeah, once they come up like that, then you just pull up on it. This thing I just gonna, instead of taking it, you could take this off and pull out this whole thing, but I'm just gonna flip it over. Hard to do. Clips. All right, so that's better. You don't have to take this off. This is actually attached to that. So, all right, next we're gonna remove this 10 millimeter. Take off this one too. All right, and I'm gonna take off this one. This is part of the headlight assembly. And take off the other one too, because we're doing both bulbs. So you have these two clips, this one, and they come off the same way. You just gotta put your screwdriver and pop them, and then they come off. You wanna get access to, there's another bulb, 10 millimeter right in here. All right guys, so now that that bolt is out, pull this out. There you go. So what you want to do is pull it out so you get access to the mounting. So there's another 10 millimeter here. You already took out the one on top, and there's another one over here. I'll lose it. So that's that one, and then the other one's behind here. All right, so right there, that's your next 10 millimeter you have to take out. All right, got to get yourself one of these Milwaukee's. They're freaking great. All right, guys. So I put a little towel here, so I don't want this bumper scratching the fender. But now that you have all three bolts out, this just slides out. So finagle it a little bit. All right. So this is the high beam. That's the one we're gonna change. So you need to remove this cover. Okay. I mean, if you want, you could unplug it and take it inside and work on it. But I'm just gonna do it right here. All right, guys. This is 7 millimeters. Now this thing should come out. That's your bulb. This thing you just twist it counterclockwise and pull it out. That's your bulb. So you just press on this. Pull it. All right, guys. So H11 is the count you got to get. We're gonna change both bulbs because you should do it in pairs if you can. I mean, I know these are a pain in the ass to do, but if this bulb goes out, the other one's gonna go out too. So might as well do them both at the same time. All right, guys, always wear gloves when you're dealing with halogen bulbs because the oil in your hands messes up the bulb. So just plug it in, and then you see there's like a fatter part here that goes in there. So I'm just gonna put it in and then twist it to lock it in place, and that's it. Now we just gotta put the cover. All right, guys, check it before you put it back in. Make sure it works. So we did. All right, guys, we got the headlight back in. So all you got to do is put your screws back on. Got to put your bumper back on. So you put that part first, and then the other one you just pop it in place. That's it. Back in. This thing came out. You just gotta put the pins. Then you just pop them in and push them in. Let's do the other ones. You said it might take 1 or 2 hours to do. You definitely have to take the bumper off.
Yeah, like 1.5 to 2 hours.
And what is it an hour? The labor, like $1.30 an hour?
It's one. Well, actually, I really don't know because I don't really get involved with like the labor price.
Oh, okay.
Because all he said to me was just we wouldn't really know until the car's here.
I see.
So we just can take a look at it, and then once it's in the shop, we'll let you know.
Okay. All right, guys, that's how you change the bulbs on the Cadillac CTS. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.